everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be making some glam candle holders with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so let's head on over to the video real quick so I can tell you what I'm doing. So at the Dollar Tree, I purchased 2 margarita glasses. I purchased a bag of their white stones. I also purchased 2 of the mirrored coasters. So let's put this candle holder together, and this came out absolutely glam. Now, subscribing to the channel is totally free, and full watching the video and clicking that like button helps me to grow. Make sure and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, normally I use the permanent adhesive, but today we're going to be using the cement glue that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to treat it the same way as the adhesive. So remember, you allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time, and make sure and be in a well-ventilated area. Now, one of the best parts about this craft is that the round mirrored coasters actually fit perfectly on top of this margarita glass. Isn't that awesome? Now remember that you can go ahead and try this at home. All you have to do is slow the video down for each step that I'm taking. Now, some really great suggestions would be, instead of using the white stone, you can use any other different kind of stone. Or you can use some seashells if you wanted to go the nautical route. Or you can go ahead and fill this with some gems. So now all I'm using is the adhesive. I am not using any kind of hot glue at all because we're going to leave this overnight and it doesn't need it. So I think that these candle holders came out absolutely beautiful. They're quick, easy, and they look so glamorous. Now these have already sat overnight, so we're going to go ahead and take the weights off, clean them off, and then we're going to get ready to display these guys. Now I placed some white candles on top of these, but then I wanted to switch over to the gold glam ones. Okay, so here we are at the reveal, guys. So this was a pretty awesome project. Not only was it budget friendly, but it looks so glam. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab so that you can keep up with all my upcoming collabs. So now I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.